Welcome to the precision-driven world of infant formula production. Every step is designed with care to ensure the highest standards of safety, quality, and nutrition. Our journey begins with the sterilization station, where a comprehensive multi-step process sets the stage for excellence. It starts with the sterilization tunnel, which meticulously cleanses all materials and surfaces, removing any potential contaminants. From there, the materials move into the preheating zone, where they are gently brought to optimal temperatures to prepare them for the next phases. Finally, they pass through the sterilization zone, ensuring ultimate safety and hygiene before entering the production line. The journey continues with the UV system, which employs advanced UV beams for an additional layer of sterilization. This technology ensures that every surface meets the highest safety standards, offering peace of mind for the entire process. As the production line advances, the formula is measured and dispensed by the auger filling machine. This precision-engineered system guarantees consistent and accurate filling of powdered milk, ensuring every container meets strict quality standards. To maintain consistency, the check weigher system meticulously examines the weight of each container. This step ensures uniformity, reinforcing the commitment to quality at every stage. Next, we reach the vacuum and gas flushing seaming station, where innovative technology ensures the product's freshness. Air is carefully removed from the containers and nitrogen gas is introduced to preserve the formula's quality and extend its shelf life. The production line also incorporates a second UV system, providing an extra safeguard against any contaminants. The process is complemented by an inkjet printer, which applies clear and accurate product information to each container, ensuring traceability and compliance. The capping machine adds a finishing touch, securely sealing the containers while conveniently dropping spoons inside for customer ease. Finally, the packaged products are organized and prepared for shipping by the case packer machine, which carefully places the sealed containers into cartons. This system ensures efficiency and precision, completing the journey from raw materials to ready-to-serve formula. Throughout every phase, advanced quality control systems monitor the process, guaranteeing safety, hygiene, and consistency at every step. From raw ingredients to packaged perfection, the infant formula production line exemplifies a commitment to innovation and care. Thank you for joining us on this journey of excellence in infant formula production. If you found this video insightful, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more engaging content about food processing, industrial innovations, and beyond.